Well, it's a gorgeous day in Michigan. I want to show you 8774 Lagoon Drive in Brighton, Michigan. I thought this was on the water, but it's not quite. So this right here is across from the water. These guys have water. So I'm gonna go ahead and show this to you. It's a cool property. I've been looking at this for a while, and I've got a couple clients that I'm sending this to because I think they might be interested. But I thought I would go ahead and put this up here and take a look. It's just over 200,000. I think it's the 230 something thousand range. Well worth a look. This has lots of light. I think it's 2-bedroom. I haven't been inside yet, so let's take a look at this and see what happens. Here it is. Here's the house we're looking at. As you can see, it's got some new windows. You can tell here from the siding that there were shutters here at some point, because this is bleached out and that's not. Small backyard with fence, just enough. You can see right there, that's the wellhead. I don't know if there's a septic here or not. If you're interested, we'll go ahead and look. A septic field on a lake always makes me cringe, but we're not really near downtown, so it's reasonable to assume that this is a well. I'm going to zoom this out so we can get a better view of this. These are internal shades, really fantastic to see. I love that. Oh, look at this room, just what I thought. All right. Wow, okay, so we've got a cool loft front living space here. And these windows, I mean, lake view? Sure. Not direct. Sort of peeking through the other houses. I don't know if there's lake access here. I can certainly find out. Big deck on the front here with a view of the back of the neighbors' houses. But this kitchen has been redone. There's a cool loft space upstairs. I think 2 bedrooms and a bath is what I'm expecting to find. You know, you could do if this was a vacation home or rental, you could put some bunk beds or something up there. Littler kids wouldn't care. This is a really sizable front living room space. That door right there is either access to a basement, which I'm not expecting, or just storage. Yeah, storage. And the crawl space access. Oh, we had a paint explosion. Notable. Okay, so I'm not going to grab that access door. I was going to peek down there, but I don't want to disturb that or end up with paint all over me. So let's look at this. I'm looking for a light switch for the ceiling lights here. This kitchen's beautiful. I have no complaints. Here we've got a light right there. Disposal. Yep. Not sure where that light switch is, but it's not imperative that I know right now. So these are faux brick. I don't know, they feel solid, but they could be just a short facade type of brick. Beautiful countertops are actual granite. Undermount kitchen. Newer windows, if not new, definitely new microwave. This isn't blue, by the way, it's just plastic. There's our bath, there's our 2 bedrooms. Let's take a look at this. And as we know, there's no crawl space, so this is, I can hear it, it's gonna be our heating element and our water. All right, look at that. Nice little heating unit, hard as can be to get in there. Probably have to remove this water tank in order to replace that. Something to keep in mind, just a little bit of a pain, more for the guys who do it. All right, this is a new bathroom. Look at these floors, are pretty new. Let's take a quick look at these. This is a laminate. This is not the cheapest laminate in the world. This is actually pretty nice and in great shape. Sometimes you see people flipping a property and they're putting in this absolute garbage. Laminate, they didn't do that here. I appreciate that. This is a shower insert, so it's extremely easy to clean. And a nice one, because look at that. They've got these nice little places for your accoutrements, your shampoo. Black. They've gone with the black and white theme throughout the house, but it's consistent. I really like it. I guess this isn't completely black. Everything seems new and move-in ready. This house has been on the market like 6 days, so not very long. I intended to get it out of here pretty quickly. Closet doors could use a little work. Not a deal breaker by any means. My gimbal has lost its mind. Second bedroom, same as the first. Here's our, oh, better doors over here. Here's our tiny little access panel. Not a lot of space in there. Here's a good view of our backyard area. Sure, big enough for a small dog. Little shed out there. That's kind of nice to have. No garage. No garage. There's our view of our shed. And this one has decent. Oh, look at that! A nice little closet system in there. That's fantastic to find. Let's look at the other closet while we're here. I can't wait to get up in the loft. I think that's a cool space. They didn't put on decent closet doors here. Shame. Oh, here's where you get access to that, the back is that side. So that's great. You can get to it. Just choose into your closet space. And there's, there is no closet space ever in this bedroom. That's the deal. There's your, it's a water softener. Okay. It's okay though. Look at this. This is beautiful. I like this ceiling here. These beams, you see how they've painted the wood black? They really did a nice job. And they've, you know, sometimes when you get somebody flipping, they'll have a chandelier or something up there that they've at least, I think that's a new one. It looks like it matches, you know what I mean? It matches the other hardware and the lighting in this house. So I believe that's completely new. Let's take a look at this loft space. This is big. This is really big. I was concerned that it would have a low ceiling. It doesn't. I cannot reach the center here. Just to show you, I can't reach it. I'm about 5'6", 5'7". So it's pretty easy for even a, say, 6 foot tall person to walk here and not worry about getting their head whacked. Big, nice space. Could be just a living quarters, just, you know, your TV could be up here, or your game system for the kids or whatever makes sense. Or it could be, you know, like I said, a bunk room or something. This is a very cool find. It would be smart to figure out if that lake had public access, because you can't just run up between people's houses and drop your boat in. That's not normal. Okay, so quick look at this. Cool space. Kind of unusual for its location. Not downtown Brighton at all. Take a look at the map, make sure you know what you're getting here. This is really on the fringe of Brighton, south side. Well worth taking a look at. Let me know if you're interested, and we'll proceed.